Hey guys, it's Zina, and today I have the Yeti insulated can Colster. This is for the taller, thinner can. It's made of stainless steel. What I really like about it is when your drink is cold, it's not going to sweat, it's not going to make anything wet. So this works two ways. First of all, you have your gasket. This holds your can in place so it doesn't fall out. And then you actually have this from Yeti. This is an insert, and you unscrew this like so, and you can actually put in here your drink. You can close this and it'll keep it cold if you don't want to use a can. So you can actually use this as a drink holder without a can. But obviously then you want to put your can in and you tighten it, and now this will hold your drink cold for really, really long. I really like this one. It's top quality. It's heavy enough, but easy to hold. And as always, you can count on the Yeti quality.